know. Maybe he's trying to call in other people. I don't know. Maybe he's trying to call in humans.
No, it's just calling the other birds. It's talking to the birds. It's like, look at me. This is my spot. I'm the biggest. I'm the best. Or he's calling the girls to come over. Or he's worried about predators. Maybe he's warning them. He saw lynx.
There's 3 birds up there now.
He's probably yelling because of lynx walking around, and they see him and they say, "Ah, cat."
There's lynx.
Right here.
No, they're not even looking at him though.
Could be anything. I don't know what it is. There he goes. Look at him.
He's probably scared of them.
What?
He's probably scared of them.
No.
Uh-huh.
He already caught one the other day. I had to rescue the bird. Me too.
Nice. What are you doing?
Whoa, seagulls.
What?